Step into 2026 with the must-have iPhone gadgets designed for true power users. From sleek, futuristic accessories to game-changing tech enhancements, these gadgets aren't just tools, they're extensions of your iPhone, crafted to supercharge your day. Stay ahead, stay efficient, and discover the innovations that will completely transform the way you use your device. Introducing Dockcase Magsafe M2 NVMe Smart SSD Enclosure. Say goodbye to slow transfers and cluttered cables. This sleek, compact enclosure transforms the way you store and access your data. Designed for speed and simplicity, it snaps seamlessly onto your device with Magsafe precision, delivering lightning-fast NVMe performance wherever you go. Beyond raw speed, Dockcase Magsafe M2 NVMe keeps your drives cool and protected with smart thermal management, while its minimalist, premium design complements your setup perfectly. Whether you're editing videos, backing up files, or on the move, this enclosure makes managing storage effortless, stylish, and futuristic. It's not just a case, it's a smarter, faster, and more elegant way to experience external storage in 2026. Meet RetroVa Vintage Imaging Kit, where retro echoes, Nova answers. Step into a world where classic charm meets modern innovation. The RetroVa Vintage Imaging Kit brings the elegance of vintage photography together with cutting-edge imaging technology, letting you capture moments with unmatched clarity and nostalgic style. With intuitive controls, customizable filters, and advanced lens options, it turns every shot into a story. Its premium design is built for creators who value both aesthetics and performance, making it perfect for artistic photography, creative projects, or just capturing everyday magic. RetroVa isn't just about images, it's about experiences, blending the warmth of the past with the precision of the future. Elevate your photography and see your world through a lens that truly inspires. The MagMirror, the ultimate vlogging studio. Step up your content game with a tool designed to make every video shine. The MagMirror combines smart lighting, crystal clear reflection, and seamless camera integration, giving creators complete control over their vlogging environment. With adjustable brightness, customizable angles, and a sleek futuristic design, it turns any space into a professional studio in seconds. Whether you're recording tutorials, live streams, or personal content, MagMirror ensures your visuals are always sharp, your lighting perfect, and your setup effortlessly stylish. It's not just a mirror, it's the future of vlogging, blending technology, convenience, and premium design into one must-have gadget for creators in 2026. Introducing INNOGO, mini magnetic Bluetooth speaker with wireless charging stand. Meet the gadget that transforms your desk into a sleek, futuristic hub. INNOGO combines crisp, powerful audio with a smart wireless charging stand, keeping your devices powered while your space stays clutter-free. Its magnetic design ensures perfect alignment every time, and Bluetooth connectivity lets you stream music or calls effortlessly. Compact yet premium, it's perfect for work, study, or relaxation, turning everyday tasks into a seamless tech-savvy experience. INNOGO isn't just a speaker. It's a stylish, all-in-one solution for sound, power, and futuristic convenience. Meet MS3L, world's first 3-gear magnification microscope. Step into a world where the tiniest details come to life. The MS3L isn't just a microscope. It's a precision tool designed to reveal the unseen, with 3 adjustable magnification gears that let you explore everything from intricate electronics to delicate biological structures. Its premium optics deliver crystal clear clarity, while its compact, futuristic design makes it perfect for both professional labs and home exploration. Easy to adjust, effortless to use, and built for curiosity, MS3L turns observation into an immersive experience. Whether you're a scientist, a hobbyist, or just fascinated by the microscopic world, the MS3L brings innovation, precision, and a touch of futuristic brilliance to every discovery. The Hyodo Slimmest EDC 5-in-1 modular wallet stand for iPhone. Imagine a gadget that combines style, convenience, and futuristic design in one ultra-slim package. The Hyodo Slimmest EDC is more than just a wallet. It's a modular system built for the modern iPhone user, integrating a sleek wallet, adjustable phone stand, card holder, cable organizer, and protective case all in one compact design. Crafted with premium materials, it snaps seamlessly onto your device, keeping everything you need close at hand while maintaining a minimalist look. The modular setup lets you customize it for daily use, whether you're working, traveling, or just streaming your favorite content. With the Hyodo Slimmest EDC, everyday carry meets next-level functionality. Smart, stylish, and engineered to elevate the way you use your iPhone in 2026. Introducing O-3 and MagiMirror. Snap, grip, stand, and your mirror. Meet the ultimate fusion of convenience and futuristic design. O-3 and MagiMirror transform any space into a smart, versatile hub, letting you snap, grip, and stand your mirror effortlessly. Perfect for creators, professionals, or anyone who loves a seamless setup. This combo brings precision, stability, and style together. With magnetic alignment, adjustable angles, and a sleek, premium build, every use feels smooth and intuitive. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or simply getting ready, it keeps your mirror perfectly positioned while adding a touch of modern elegance to your desk or vanity. O-3 and MagiMirror aren't just gadgets. They're a smarter, more stylish way to organize, display, and interact with your everyday essentials in 2026.